In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your payment method on Vinted. Whether you're adding a new card, switching payment options, or updating details before buying, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and I want you to click your profile icon on the top right corner. And then scroll down until you find settings, and I want you to click on it. Now here, all I have to do is super simple. Click the Payments tab. This is where Vinted manages all your payment methods. Now, all I have to do is super simple. If you want to add a new card, click this button right here and add your payment details. So enter the required card or account details such as your cardholder's name, card number, expiration date, and of course your security code. Once you've done that, all I have to do is click the use this card. You want to make sure that your card details are correct and ensure your card supports online and international payments. Alright? And basically that's it for today's video on how to change your payment method on Vinted. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.